Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're all hearing about how powerful AI is, how it's changing the world. But what about the risks? The ones that aren't making the headlines? Today, we're digging into the hidden dangers of AI that nobody seems to be talking about. Artificial intelligence is everywhere. It's in our phones, our cars, our homes. It's revolutionizing medicine, science, and entertainment. But behind all that incredible innovation, there's a darker side. Something we might not be ready for. We built AI to serve us, to make our lives easier and better. But the truth is, it's learning faster than we can control, and that has some serious implications. So where do we start? Let's begin with one of the most immediate and tangible threats, deepfakes. These aren't just funny face swaps anymore. With today's AI, anyone with a decent computer can create a hyper-realistic fake video of a world leader declaring war or a celebrity endorsing a product they've never even heard of. The technology has gotten so good, so convincing, that even experts struggle to tell what's real and what's not. We've already seen glimpses of the chaos this can cause. In 2023, a deepfake image of an explosion at the Pentagon went viral online. It was completely fabricated, but before it could be debunked, it caused the stock market to briefly crash. Now, imagine this technology being weaponized. Think about its potential to manipulate elections by creating fake scandals, to destroy personal reputations overnight, or to fabricate entire news events to spark panic and conflict. The line between reality and deception is becoming terrifyingly thin. Next up, let's talk about something we all deal with every day: data privacy. Every single time you send a message, post a photo, or click on a link, you're feeding an AI. You're teaching it how to think, and more importantly, how to think like you. AI algorithms learn your habits, your preferences, your emotions, and your decision-making patterns. It doesn't just know what you do. It's getting frighteningly good at predicting why you do it. We're constantly trading our privacy for convenience. We let apps track our location for better directions and give away our data for personalized ads. In doing so, we are literally building machines that know us better than we know ourselves. But what happens when those incredibly sophisticated systems are hacked? Or when your deeply personal data is packaged up and sold to the highest bidder? The convenience we enjoy today could become the source of our vulnerability tomorrow. And then there's the big one: automation, the silent disruptor of jobs. You've probably heard about this, but the scale is staggering. In factories, customer service call centers, and even creative industries like writing and design, AI is steadily replacing millions of human workers. This isn't some far-off future scenario. Economists predict that by 2030, over 300 million jobs could be automated globally. That's not a sci-fi author's guess. That's a projection from the World Economic Forum. And while companies celebrate newfound efficiency and higher profit margins, millions of people are being left behind, completely unprepared for this new AI-driven world. The real question isn't whether AI will take jobs. It's already happening. The question is whether we can adapt fast enough to create new roles, new industries, and a new kind of economy. But perhaps the most chilling threat of all is bias and control. AI systems are not inherently objective. They reflect the data they're trained on. And if that data is filled with human biases, racial, gender, or social, the AI will learn, amplify, and execute those biases at a massive scale. The results can be catastrophic. From algorithms that deny loans to qualified applicants in certain neighborhoods, to hiring tools that filter out female candidates, to law enforcement systems that unfairly target minority groups, AI can make decisions that quietly and systematically discriminate against millions. And when governments or massive corporations are the ones controlling these powerful systems, the power imbalance becomes enormous. Imagine a world where algorithms decide what news is true, who gets a job, or who is even allowed to have a voice online. That world isn't some distant dystopia. It's already starting to take shape, often hidden behind a veneer of convenience and progress. Ultimately, AI has the power to either build a better future or create a more divided, controlled one. It all depends on who is holding the code. So, as we continue to celebrate every new breakthrough, we must also relentlessly question who is in control and what their motives are. Because the greatest danger of AI isn't that it will rise up and destroy us like in the movies. The real danger is that we'll become so dependent on it, so complacent, that we simply stop questioning it at all. Thanks so much for watching. What are your biggest concerns about AI? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content that makes you think. See you in the next one.